It's been quite a long time that I haven't making any kind of videos, so I am promising, I won't say that I'm promising, I will try my level best to make one video at least each and every day from now onwards. So let's get started with this video. This requested video. People are requesting me that how to get rid of this negative thoughts, and is this negative thoughts applicable when you are manifesting your desires? Is it so? Is it applicable or not? So let's get started with this video. First and foremost, you must understand that why this negative thoughts is coming into your mind. Okay, so it's been quite a long time that you are thinking negatively. That's why you are radiating that energy in your body. Okay, and that's what you are radiating out. You can understand what I'm saying, right? you are your thoughts are radiating, right? Your thoughts are the vibration, the quality of the thoughts are your vibrations, are your energies. So you must take care of your thoughts. There are 60,000 thoughts. I know that at first, at the beginning, it's not possible to check all the 60,000 thoughts whether you are thinking positively or not. First and foremost, I'm sorry, I'm really sorry for the noises that are coming outside. Okay, so let's concentrate here. So there are 60,000 thoughts in a day we think. You must understand, you must check out that whether those thoughts you are thinking negatively or positively. Okay, first thing. Secondly, if you are thinking negative thoughts continuously for quite a long period of time, that's where you will attract all those, and you will attract more and more negative thoughts in your mind, right? Please understand that the more you will focus onto anything, that what you will attract, that what you will become. You will become means that what you will start to radiate in and out. Okay, so you must understand that the quality of the thought. So what is the quality of the thought? Is it a positive, is it good quality of thoughts, or is it a poor quality of thoughts? Okay, what are those poor qualities of thoughts? Jealousy, envy, angriness, frustration, depression, fearful. These are the low quality of thoughts. And the positive is that, I must say, two only positive thing is that love and gratitude. Being loved, you you will feel that love within yourself. It's not that the outer circumstance will create love in you. No, 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 I'm not telling about that. You will feel love within yourself, and that's what you will radiate. You will feel the gratitude in yourself. That's what you will radiate in and out. So you must understand this things in your mind, why this negative thoughts come into your mind. There must be some period of time you are thinking all those negative thoughts in your mind. That's why you are attracting more and more negative thoughts into your mind. Wherever your focus goes, you attract, you start to manifest that. Okay, so to get rid of negative thoughts, it may happen that you are feeling negative in the afternoon or in the evening or in any day. Within 3 or 4 days you are feeling negative. Only one day, one whole day you are feeling like exhausted, you know. So what to do at that situation? First thing is that breathing is the best exercise. Breathing is the best exercise to get rid of all those negative thoughts in your mind, to calm down your thoughts level. To calm down your thought level, breathing is the most beautiful, amazing, magical exercise, I must say. I have used this technique for quite a long time, and I've always got the results so positively. So breathing in and breathing out. While you are breathing in, hold for 3 seconds, then breathe out slowly. Again, then breathe in deeply. Deeply you must breathe in, and then hold for 3 seconds and then exhale. In this way, I'm telling you, in this way. Again, in this way. Continue breathing until and unless you feel relaxed, you feel peaceful. Okay, why this breathing helps so deeply, so beautifully? Because when you are breathing deeply, that's where you are providing oxygen in your brain. The maximum oxygen goes in your brain, and then it calms down your thought level. You know, you limit your thoughts at that point of time. Okay, the second step is that writing down writing down your thoughts, writing down your feelings onto a paper, on a piece of paper. Okay, so why this writing helps? You are using subconscious mind and your conscious mind while you are writing, and then you are pouring all your thoughts, all your feelings on that paper. Don't worry about who will see and who will read that, thoughts, your feelings. Don't worry about that. You just continue writing as much as many pages you want. Just complete writing, though it's a time consuming process. Don't worry about that. You must invest time in yourself, right? You must invest time within yourself. So write down your thoughts, your feelings on a piece of paper. I must tell that you must write those thoughts in a black pen, because I prefer to use black pen, because it is it's a sign that I am feeling so depressed. When I'm feeling negatively, I write that black pen. Red pen denotes, for me, red pen denotes is that an alert sign, an alert sign to your subconscious mind, to the universe, that this is my manifestation, right? This is the best thing that is happening in my life when I'm writing gratitude in my journal. So I prefer to use red pen. When I am in a depressed mode, I prefer to use black pen. When I'm in a neutral mode, good and bad, both are is in neutral, so I prefer to use blue pen most of the times. And when I am at the high level, feeling so optimistic in my life, in my days, I prefer to use red pen. So this is the second step. This is the second technique which I often prefer to use, is that writing down my feelings, my thoughts on a piece of paper, and then um, I just smash those paper, or I will just tear those paper and throw it in the dustbin. This often works with me so beautifully. This works with me. I won't say that often. This works with me always and always. So this is a beautiful, amazing, beautiful technique. The number 3 technique is that to check, yes, to check your thought level. As I've said earlier, to check your thought level, because there must be a reason why you are thinking so negatively. It is because you are collecting and you are not letting go of the past. Maybe you are depressed, you're feeling depressed, you are feeling fearful, and all those opposites of being positive, right? So yes, check out your thought level, check your quality of your thoughts. That's where you will start to get, you know aware. You will get aware that that's where you will aware that you are thinking negatively and you are thinking positively. Yes, to check out your thoughts. That's this is the technique I always use. This awareness I always keep in my mind, whether I'm thinking positively or negatively of any kind of person or people, or any situation, or it is only me who is creating any kind of negative thoughts. Yes, I often check my thoughts. Each and every minute, each and every second, I always check my thoughts, whether I'm thinking negatively or positively, because it's gonna affect the situation. Most of the people think that the situation is gonna affect them, is gonna affect the um, mindset. It's not like that. The mindset is gonna affect, the thought level is gonna affect the situation. So this is a quite a long discussion. I must continue this discussion why this is equation is made in the next video. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Stay independently, emotionally independent. Yes, emotionally independent. Stay independently. Happy Independence Day to all. Thank you, thank you, thank you for watching my video. I love you all.